46 cab over engine running. We just rebuilt the head, and there was 2 stuck exhaust valves, so it had no compression. Now we're going to try starting it again. Just got it put back together.
Rebuilt master cylinder too.
Yeah, rebuilt the master cylinder, so we'll test out the brakes, see if those work. Good brake pressure. I think does that actually adjust the throttle? Oh. Yep. Okay, there. Now we'll add a little extra throttle in there just for the heck of it.
Nah, I don't
sound like it's gonna fire to me.
No. Start loading up if that carburetor's flooding.
No, probably not.
Doesn't seem like it though.
I'll go through the front. And this thing runs like a dream.
Yeah, it does. Oh, look at the belt. Oh, you should look at the belt.
Whoa! You had suction on that.
Dang. What you doing?
I'm gonna see if there's any coolant in here. Nope, there really isn't that.
Are you gonna put the cap on all the way? Do you want me to?
Boy, that belt's not very tight.
Generator working?
Show. Whack it.
Is the generator working?
Is it charging up? Oh yeah, it is. Oh yeah. the headlights and see if it pulls it down. Yeah, it does.
Check out the air horns on this thing. Yeah, I don't know if they're air horns, but
Original 1940 gears. But anyhow, we got the old terrific 235 running. Idle's good. Kind of a high idle. You get a shot of the exhaust note here. It's got that beautiful blown out glass back sound. Oh yes, that's just a symphony of machinery there. Aaron's playing with the bug. Don't want to get it too excited here. It's probably not been run for, well, not been run extensively for 10, 20 years. Sucks good through the radiator. We had a problem with the thermostat and it overheated immediately, but I think we got that sorted out. All the gauges work except for the speedo, I think. I think the needle just came off that big horn. That's stainless, not chrome, so it just polishes up nice. Idea of what it looks like there. Strangely, it only has a lock on this side. We have the lock, it's just not in there. But yeah, heater works. Right there. Works great. There's light bulbs in there on the previous owner. Most are 12 volt, I think, though. Interestingly enough, though, the shift pattern sticker up there is wrong. It shows a pattern for a 3-speed, and this has got a 4-speed and a 235, even though it's got the 216 gauges. So someone swapped this here. But yeah, we had to pull start it. After we got it running for a bit, it started itself though.